Hey guys, welcome back to another Izzy video. In today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm gonna be starting a clothing store. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the place and start building the store. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a tour of the lot. So in here is like a school store. We got the drawing pads, the notebooks, the pencils, the scissors, the crayons, and then we've got some like books down here, stuff like that. We've got backpacks, nothing in there. We've got alarm clocks, iPads, and DSs, and then controllers. Over here is where the checkout is. Again, this is not my store. And then they got some fun things. These are just things from here, and these are things from here. So yeah, so fun, you know. Got a wind chime, and then they got their bear logo. Empty. This is the lot that I'm gonna be building my store in. I'm gonna do a speed build. So if you want to take any ideas, take some credits from my speed build, you know, stuff like that. But I'm gonna get to building, and yeah. Places. Okay guys, the store's officially built, so I'm gonna open it. We got all the clothes out here. We got where people can make their own clothes, people can get money if they didn't have any, and where I work. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.